Wow.
Ja, kijk eens.
Waar zit het? Stompie.
No, Spanish is thing, eh? Kaya is shut the fuck up.
Hey.
No, in Spanish it's not like that, eh? It's not like the kaya. It's like kayate.
Kayate.
Means shut up, you.
Ow.
It's not a kayate, something else. It's an invitation. Invitation for penetration. Why? Didn't even speak Smakalik.
Makalagay ito.
You heard your what?
Amangli.
What?
Rocker. It's warm.
Try into your mouth first.
Your baby. Sarap guys. Gulas soup. Masarap.
Soup and goulash.
He's always like that, my husband. He always share what he have.
Very good meat. Still the same as always. That's why I like to come here. Stay in the same cook.
No, I have already. I have. Take. Look at it. Okay. Okay. Share mayonnaise.
It's for you. It's the mayonnaise. Come on, the sleeve. It's not a good idea to wear the thing out. Check it.
Is it going to be burned up?
Nope.
Careful.
Sit behind your plate. You sit beside your plate. Come on, I mean it.
This is the one I like it. It's already peeled. Huh? Pumpkin. Octopus still with the skin. I hate it. Kapila.
Sit behind your plate. Sit beside your plate. Okay, you eat.
Oh my God. Sarap. Malalaki oh. It's very spicy this one.
Yeah, but look.
Yan, bili mo. Yung meat na asawa ko, binigyan na naman, oh. Mahilig siyang mag-share. Really ka. Bukan huwag na lagi naman. Diba na?
Go for the steak. Huh?
Ay, yeah.
It's like I did it open now.
Dili nga, yeah.
I eat the dinger, the one that I want to open, the logo, the sauce.
If you want look, you can.
Yeah, later I will know what.
While if still you want it, then you can already take it so he can prepare.
Enough is enough. Next time.
Really, you leave it that in the hotel.
Yeah, it was there, bro.
I said the one
Go in Argentina and I wrote now.
just liquor, no?
Then I think the dinger. The corona, beer, and then it will be the big steak. I finish in 3 seconds and then I can order enough steak.
Malaki, no? Malaki. It's open. Tikang-kang. Very good. Sarap. Correct eh. Ano mali yung jacket mo?
Yeah, they can still grill them too. Like charcoal.
Yeah. How much?